Hi mommies, festival time, and we'll talk about having some delicious sweets at home. Remember, I'm a mom too. I'm Dr. Anitha Chaudhary, and today I will tell you about some simple sweets that you can make at home. Mixed nuts laddoos. Your recipe of mixed nuts laddoos is ready. Dry fruits and nuts are an excellent snack for pregnant women. You can have them anytime. They are a powerhouse of vital nutrients. It has lots of proteins and omega-3 fatty acids, and they help in baby's development and makes the mother strong as well. So enjoy this sweet. Dates custard. Our dates custard is ready, and I'm sure you are excited to have it now. Dates is a nature's gift to mankind. It is rich with lots of vitamin B, namely folates. Deficiency of folic acid causes problem in children like spina bifida. So you must have dates in any form. Daily dose required of folates is 600 mcg. If you have 100 grams of dates every day in any form, you will get something like 15 mcg of folate every day, and this will help in the neural development of your baby. The baby is healthy and you are happy, so enjoy your custard. Kesar Sandesh. We all know the advantages of kesar and milk, and during pregnancy, milk is such an important part of your nutrition. The dairy products, especially paneer, gives you so much of proteins, calcium, phosphorus. It makes you feel healthy, and for instant energy, you can consume paneer anytime. And Kesar Sandesh is such an easy recipe, and the best thing is all the calcium helps in the development of your child's bone and teeth. So you are also strong, your baby is also strong. So let's enjoy our Kesar Sandesh. Walnut Halwa. Walnut resembles our brain, and when you consume this, it definitely helps in the development of the baby's brain. It is loaded with nutrients. It is rich in vitamins, fiber, magnesium, manganese, copper, and so many other important ones like calcium, iron, zinc, and selenium. All these help in your development and in having a healthy baby. So let's enjoy our walnut halwa. Carrot halwa. We all know carrots. The moment we hear about carrot halwa, our mouth starts watering. It is a wondrous root vegetable with lots of vitamins and minerals. Carrots consumption is very good for fetal growth. Carrots contain ample calcium, vitamin A, and lots of carotene. It is good for fetal bone and teeth. So let's enjoy our carrot halwa. You can look up for more nutrition and recipes in our iMumz app. Please download that app right now. Indulge in sweets this season without any guilt. Remember, moderation is the key. Enjoy your motherhood and Diwali ki Shubhkamnaएं.